I'm Derek Hurd with Evolution Wheel. Today we're out at the Industrial Technology Center. We're going to show you a little bit of the testing we do as a company. Evolution Wheel is a brand. We believe in testing. We want to make sure that our customer has the best quality product before it gets on the job site to make sure that they have the best quality results. And this is a test machine that we've been using to where this is going to simulate some really heavy loads, way heavier than what the customer would ever have to deal with in normal life. And by doing that, we can really be confident in the fact that when we send this product out to the customer, we already know that they're going to get a good result. So Daniel, tell me a little bit more about who ITC is, what's your mandate, and where do you play a role in improving the product that goes to market?
Well, thanks, Derek. The Industrial Technology Center is an engineering testing company that tests products for all sorts of companies to verify that products either meet criteria, both internally and externally. And we test standard products like steels, aluminums, polymers, as well as elastomers, and non-standard products like this particular tire assembly that we're testing for you.
So Daniel, this is a pretty complicated machine. Why don't you tell us a little bit more about how it works, what it's doing, and what we're trying to show the customer here in terms of the tests that we have going on.
Well, the machine that we decided to use for this test is a servo-hydraulic universal test machine. In this particular usage, what we're doing is we're applying the load vertically. We are able to achieve loads of 0 to 7,000 pounds 100,000 times. With that information, we're able to observe any changes in the rubber, whether it be load degradation, whether it be cracking in the material, or anything else that could be occurring, the interaction between the various rubber panels. We can observe this while the test is occurring, all in a controlled environment, so that we don't have to do this on a real-life tire over several years of usage.
So Daniel, this has been running quite a while now, 100,000 cycles at 7,000 pounds, and you've been watching it the whole time. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what you're seeing in the product and how can we be confident that this is replicatable on the job site?
We have utilized a much higher load than what would be required, 7,000 pounds at its maximum amount, which is equivalent to a whole skid steer all by itself, even though that load should be distributed between 4 tires in a normal application. When we performed the test, we discovered that the tires performed nearly flawlessly. We never had any degradation of the rubber. We had no stress cracking. We didn't have any adverse interactions between the various panel components. The mounting components never showed any signs of any wear. Everything was as designed and predictable.
All right, well, thanks Daniel for all the testing information. This is great. I think it helps the customers a lot. And I'm Derek Hurd with Evolution Wheel. We'll see you again.